Hi, I'm Veale from Van2Size. I specialise in sourcing the best value commercial vehicles across the UK. Running the business means time is everything. And MyDigiVA CRM has been a game changer for me. I use it for auto scheduling social media, managing email campaigns, and most importantly, automating my lead follow-ups and pipelines. Me tracking where the leads at a glance, saving me over 10 hours a week. What really sets MyDigiVA apart is the tech support. Rowan and his team don't just provide a system, they make CRM simple. From setting up the funnels to sorting out the Gmails to social media accounts and support has been brilliant. My favourite part is automation, hands down. The ability to set things up, and once we let it run in the background, it's a massive time saver. Plus, having a real person to call if you needed to make huge differences. If you're looking for a CRM that actually works for your business with the right support behind it, and I highly recommend MyDigiVA. It saved me time and kept me organised and helped me grow my business.